Mustang Rebuilder here. Yeah, it's Sunday, and I'm working on the Zt1844 to 38 horsepower motor Bandit Stump grinder. Doing something today that you need to be aware of. I've got quite a bit of hours on this machine. It's paid for itself I don't know how many times. I guess I got close to 800 hours. I thought in the last video I made with it, I told you that I thought I had my front cutter wheel bearings going out because I heard a wobble, okay? At the very end, I hit something and I got into a little bit of chain link, so I'm going to turn this around and show you what I found, okay? Okay, there's my cutter wheel, right? And then it attaches back there around a, you'll see it down there. I already took some nuts off it. I had a bunch of chain link stuff and some rope and twine. I was doing an old terrible fence line thing. Anyway, it's a quick fix. Need to let you know something. These will fail on you. There's only 3 of them. I thought it was a bearing, and I walked up to my wheel and I felt it shift left and right a little bit. Now it's shifted more than that now because I already took them out. I had one bolt broke, okay, that hosed this cutter wheel onto that jack shaft, okay? And one was missing. It only takes 3, okay? And it failed. But then when I went to take off the 3rd one, here's a complete, okay? You see, it goes through this here, that plate right there, and the wheel bolts onto it. Well, this is the part that goes through, and this is sitting on that plate right there. And see, it wears the threads off. You think they would have used a specialty bolt to where it was solid shaft through here, then threaded to the proper length, yada yada. No, these are common, okay? These are grade 8s, all right? They're 1/2 inch by 1 3/4 inches, okay? With a locking nylon cap on the nut, all right? So I noticed one was on there, another one, this one was broke, but it was in there, all right? And then the other one was gone. Okay, so that's why when I grabbed my wheel at the location, whoa, is that a bearing or what? It was so hot, I said, hell, I'm going home. So once I got home, took a look at it, and I tried to take it apart. I noticed that, but I got my wrench on there, and then when I started cranking it, it fatigued, okay? It snapped. There's still part of the bolt right there in it, all right? So these take a lot of abuse, all right? There's only 3 of them. So I went down to my Atwoods. I don't know if you have an Atwoods wherever you live, or a good Ace Hardware or some lumberyard with grade 8s, okay? Anyway, I bought, it only takes 3, okay? So I bought 3, but I'm always anal. I bought 3 extras exact. I bought 3 extra nuts. So I bought 6 nuts, 6 bolts, and they sold to me by the pound. That's why I like going there. And it was like $2.50 total with tax and all for that, all that. So for $2.50, I'll be repairing the ZT. All right. Now, it's just a short video letting you know that that's something that could go wrong with yours. All right. I know I'm gonna have to change these bearings soon. These 2. I'll make a video of that whenever I do, and I'll show you the bearing numbers and where I got them, how much they cost. You know, that way I help source you out, okay? Very simple fix, all right? I thought it was going to be a complicated, long day because I was like, how am I going to get these bolts out of here? Well, here's the deal. Let me show the camera if I can slot it up here. Maybe it'll show it. Anyway, in between the bearing here, there's a space. Let me find my finger. There it is. Where this bolt can go up, fit in here. Let me get this here so it'll fit in and be able to go through the hole, okay? Actually, the engineers freaking did something right so you can get that wheel on and off, okay, as far as getting this. Now, to get this wheel completely off, yes, I'd have to pull the bearing on that side and take the belt off and then drop it. It actually won't drop because there's another back shield here. I'd have to pull a pulley. It would be a pain in a banana. All right, but that's at the same time you do that, you would change your bearings. It'd be all one-time thing, okay? So anyway, it's Sunday. God bless you. Remember, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead. Oh yeah, you must be an asshole. But I know you're not. Anyway, hang on because I'm going to have a trivia question at the end of this, and you'll win one of those stickers that had the same saying I did. And I'll put the rules in there and along with the questions, trivia questions. Thanks, guys. Many blessings to you. All right, guys. The trivia question for the sticker. It's open to anybody in the world, okay? I don't care where you live, Australia, whatever, United States, Florida, whatever. I don't care. Timbuktu, like I always say. All right, the question's real simple. It's going to, instead of three-part questions, I'm going to just use one, okay? In 1966, an actor named James Garner, okay, he played the part of a Formula One driver. Name what movie that was, okay? So, 1966, the movie was made. James Garner was the actor, and he played a Formula One race car driver. Just tell me what the name of the movie was. You know what? This time, the first two people that answer the question, I'll send out 2 stickers, okay? And if you haven't seen the stickers, some of you have, some of you haven't. There you go, okay? And if you don't know the background of the stickers, hey, look at some of my other videos. I explain it, okay? It's kind of sentimental to me, all right? Anyway, love you guys. It's always fantastic trying to help you guys. I hope this little video helps you, you know, on that ZT. And the parts are cheap enough, those bolts, throw them in your toolbox, pick them up. You never know, you might be out in the field and you'll fix it right away. You don't even have to come home, okay? So, things that go bad for me, hell, I don't mind sharing how to fix it so your day goes better than mine did. And I think I'm down to like 1 year and 4.5 months before I retire out of the biz. So hopefully, you know, I'll make some more videos on different stuff for you to fix. I've been away from my Mustang and my Crown Vic builds. I'm sorry for the people that watch it for that, and I'll get to those. But it's freaking summertime, and I'm still putting insulation in my shop so I can run the AC and all. And you know, I'm trying not to stay. I'm trying to stay happy, not become the grumpy old man. Anyway, God bless you. It's Sunday, and grind on.